Hello, this is Nadeem Ansari and I am taking the doubt of part 1b. Okay, so when the price decreases, demand rises, but when demand rises, price increases. Why does that happen? क्या आपने कभी सोचा ऐसा? आज हम जानते हैं कि क्यों ऐसा होता है. Okay, so first thing, I am taking the example of a single buyer and a multiple buyer. So let's see how the demand rises, how the price increases, how the price when the price decreases, how the demand rise. So all things are included in the single frame. So now I am moving ahead. Now I am taking the example with the help of a graph. Suppose I am having a rupees 10 and I am going for a market for purchase of a 1 kg tomato and the price of tomato is rupees 10 per kg. So as you know that I am having rupees 10, so I can only able to buy 1 kg of tomato. Okay, but as you know, like if there is no buyer in the market and so ultimately the price will fall down, and supposingly the price of tomato fall down to rupees 1 and I am having rupees 10, so I can able to purchase 10 kg of tomato from rupees 10. So the concept is here that कि अगर प्राइस घटता है तो क्वांटिटी बढ़ेगी, हमारी मतलब कि डिमांडेड क्वांटिटी बढ़ेगी. हम एज्यूम करते हैं एक और एग्जांपल, मींस आई एम टेकिंग द एग्जांपल अनदर एग्जांपल like on the big billion days the Flipkart discount all the goods on its platform. So Flipkart decreases the price, so there is a huge and enormous amount of buyer on the platform. So from this example it is clear that when the price of a certain goods decreases, the demand of a certain goods rises. Now let's see the another scenario. When the demand increases, why the price rises? ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है कि मतलब डिमांड भी इंक्रीज हो रहा हो, प्राइस भी राइज हो रहा हो? Yes, it is possible. Now I am taking another example where there is a only single seller and a multiple buyer. Yeah, it's true. It's true even a monopoly market. What is monopoly? Monopoly market where there is only a one seller and a multiple buyer. I am taking a example of petrol price. So the petrol price nowadays is like increasing to rupees 100, but the demand is not falling down. Why? Because the demand is so huge that the seller increases the price as he wants. Now I am taking another example. Like हम मार्केट में जाते हैं और मार्केट में एक सिंगल सेलर है लाइक टोमेटो का एंड बहुत सारे बायर हैं, 100 बायर्स हैं. सो द टोमेटो प्राइस इज रुपीज 10 एंड द बायर इज इन इनॉर्मस अमाउंट. So the seller will charge more from that. This is the another concept where the demand also rises and the price also rises. Now I am taking the another example like salt. नमक तो हम सब लोग खाते हैं, लाइक ठीक. तो नमक क्या है कि नमक हमारी नेसेसिटी है, बट हम नमक खाना बंद तो नहीं करेंगे ना. हमारी डिमांड डे बाय डे इंक्रीज होती चली जाएगी और प्राइस उसका बढ़ता चला जाएगा. इट इज़ क्लियर. होप कि ये कंसेप्ट आपको समझ में आया होगा एंड आई विश कि आप इससे बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग अपने माइंड में ला पाएंगे. होप सो. थैंक यू.